video, we are going to do exactly the same type of subtraction problem. So we're going to start off with a positive number. So in this case, I've got the number positive 1, which because we talked about a number line last week, I'm going to go ahead and use a number line first. And we're subtracting, we're taking away 8. So remember that a subtraction, when you're taking away a positive number, that means we're going to go to the left, and we're going to go to the left 8 spaces in order to make that negative 8. So if I count over 8 places, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see where I end up. Okay, so you see here, I'm going to end up at -7. And which kind of makes sense, right? If you think about it, because if you only have, let's say you have $1, but you go out and you spend 8. Well, you're going to be in the negatives, right? Because you didn't have enough money to pay for it. So that is another reason that we're going to have -7 for our first answer. This problem number 2 is the same idea. I've got positive 4, so I'm going to start off at 4 on the number line. We're subtracting 7, which means we're going to move 7 spaces to the left. So when I get done moving 7 spaces to the left, I end up right here at -3. And again, it kind of makes sense, right? Because if I only have $4 in my account, but I take away 7 out of my account, I'm going to end up in the negatives, so that's going to be a -3. Hey, mathematicians, and last problem, we're going to start at positive 2, and again, we're going to go 7 places to the left because we're taking away a negative. I'm sorry, because we're taking away a positive, my bad, which means I'm going to end up at -5. And again, it makes sense. If I start off with $2 in my account, but I take out 7, well, I'm going to end up in the negatives, right? So either way, we're going to end up with -5.